robotic vehicle where we can have a cell phone here, and then from the speaker, from the earphone output, we connect it to the a tone decoder IC. The tone decoder IC is here. The tone decoder IC passes through a buffer, which is a inverter, and that inverter gives the command to the controller. And we know that when the tone commands come, after the call is established, when the tone commands come, like for example when I press 2, that corresponding tone of 2 will be coming here to the speaker and receiving here, and this tone decoder, particularly the DTMF tone decoder, will be converting that 2 to a binary data which is like 0010 for 2, and for 3 similarly 0011 is 3. And that binary data goes to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller is able to understand as to which pin to be driven for the motor driver IC L293D for switching the motors in both the motors, or one motor, or both the motors in the backward direction or forward direction. Now we will say, now we will dial from this number, from this mobile phone, that particular number, and it is to be kept in an auto answer mode. Though if it is not kept in auto answer mode, we will just answer the call. Now once the call is answered, either by auto answer or by any other means, now the call is answered. Now once the call is answered, then when he presses 2, okay, this is to switch on. When he presses 2, it comes this way, 5 stop, and 8 it goes this way, and it takes a turn like this, it takes a turn like this, and finally stop. So this can be operated from now. Again I operate, and then by 8 it goes this way, and by 5 it stops, and by 2 it comes this way, and again by 3 it goes this way, and 1 it goes this way. Stop. So this is how, by using just a mobile phone at one end, mobile phone at the other end on the robotic body, the operation can be carried out for the movement in forward direction, backward direction, left, right, so that it can be operated anywhere from the world. Thank you.